If you have a wooden table at home, don't miss this episode. This is not only very creative, but also makes your wooden table more convenient and practical. Let's see how it's made. The four corners of a cut piece of wood are punched. After the holes are made, a bit of white latex is applied to the top of the long strips of wood, and the two pieces of wood are connected by screws. This is a wooden table with a movable stand, so some Vientiane wheels are used to assemble it. You can just screw it in after you make a hole here. The next step is to attach a lotus leaf to the edge. The lotus leaf is to be attached to the leg of the table, so this is to attach it to the edge of the table. After that, the next step is to make a buckle for it, and here we use an angle iron to modify it. Place it on top of the strip, draw the right size, and then use an angle grinder to cut off the excess. Finally, give a cutout. The effect is a barb shape. After cutting it, give it a polish, and then cut out two holes that can be used to hold it in place. This barb here is going to be fixed with a screw, so after you put it in position, you're going to put a screw on it. The barb is attached to a spring, so that the spring can be used to retract the barb. After processing, you need to find another piece of wood, and also attach a Vientiane wheel and a lotus leaf to it. Here are two pieces of wood as a group. All you need to make is two sets of brackets, one on each side of the table, and then you can install it on the top of the table. Here, put the table to it first, and then use a pen to sketch out the hole where the lotus leaf should be installed. Next, use a hand electric drill to open holes in accordance with the hole position, and then you can hit the screws for fixing. 5. After fixing, it is to overlap the two wooden strips to a piece, and then install a screw to it as a buckle in the position of the barb. Now that it's done, all it takes is a kick of the barb to put the table down. When the barb is closed, the Vientiane wheel can be used to push and pull, which is a very clever and practical design. If you liked the making of this video, you can like it and bookmark it, or follow us, and I'll see you next time.